Hello everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get a VPN. First, go to your browser, search up Secure VPN. That's how you spell it. And insert. Then you have to find that one. Secure VPN instead. Then go onto it and wait. Dun 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 dun. And wait for it to download. I already downloaded, so I'm not doing it. Then download it, do everything, and get mobile VR station, and then open it up. And when you have opened it up, oh, this is hard. Go to local files, all folders, and then Android, and then data, and then scroll down till you found scooped the storage actions, and then the first one. Then you're gonna have this menu. Press whatever your question. Press downloads. Scroll down till you find the VPN against the current VPN you just downloaded it. Press open, continue, and then I'll do some. I'm gonna reopen it, and wait. Then press open, and then you get your VPN. And the part has to dupe. You have to take the item, drop it, hold it, and then drop it, connect it, take up the item, wait for, and it needs to be two. Wait for the guy to despawn and disable your VPN. That's how to do it. See you in the next video. Bye. Go band for band. Fuck that.